Ingenious presents Denver Health. Denver Health, one of the major public hospitals in the U.S. and the safety net institution for the state of Colorado, was struggling with a limited adoption from their physician staff to the diagnosis and treatment protocols for diseases requiring antibiotics treatments. Despite the fact that the institution receives federal funds for the research and definition of those protocols so they can be later used at a national level. Our team discovered that the lack of adoption of the diagnosis and treatment protocols was related to the perception from the physicians that it was very hard to accurately apply such a complex knowledge base on the field, and that the risk involved in not accomplishing that huge challenge was limited. To solve the first challenge, the team created a tool that made it possible for physicians to validate that their diagnosis and treatments comply with the protocols and best practices from anywhere in the hospital and in just 5 seconds. For the second, we worked with the institution on a campaign that clearly communicated to the staff that using the tool would help them make sure that they were complying with the care protocols required by the institution. And most importantly, that by not doing it, they were exposed to professional liability issues. This made the staff interested in trying the new tool, and once they did, they discovered that it was very easy to use and avoid the risks with it, so they added it to their routine. Since then, the hospital improved the staff compliance with the diagnosis and treatment protocols by 10 times after just 3 months of the deployment of the solution, and also began to be able to track the seasonal evolution of diseases diagnosis on real time. Denver Health is currently working with Ingenious on a project to control opioids abuse and overprescription. Their recommendation to other peers has helped Ingenious to negotiate several strategic deals with organizations like the University of Colorado and Kaiser Permanente. Ingenious, design that leads to action.